Okay, here's my bunny. Say hi, Thor. Thor, Kelly, go play with him. Kelly, down. Oh, there, where's he going? You gonna go in your car? Nope. Where? Huh? Where are you gonna go? Ooh. Oh, that's so funny. Whoa. Let's go play. Kelly, play with them. That is a dog and a bunny playing. I guess I have such a retarded dog. Come on, Thor. Hey, buddy. Hi. You wanna go play more? Huh? Okay, and then while I was cleaning his cage, he decided to dig a hole. Yeah. Okay, say bye, Thor. Say bye, Kelly. Bye. Bye.